So let's get straight to the point. Antacids are everywhere and they do work quickly, but if you're popping them regularly, then there's some risks that you need to know about. Are you interested? Fasten your seatbelts. We're going to be taking a dive into the topic that affects loads of men, GERD or GORD, depending on where you're from. That's acid reflux, heartburn and indigestion, the whole works. But here's the twist. We are going to be looking at the usual quick fix, antacids, and why they may not be the best thing for you as a long-term solution and what you can do about it instead. I'm Gareth. I'm a consultant medical herbalist here at The Wild Sage, and we want to talk about, first up, nutrient absorption. When you change your stomach acid, you can end up with deficiencies in calcium, magnesium, and vitamin B12, and that means weaker bones, lower energy, and even nerve issues over time. Now, second, there is something called rebound acid. That's when you stop taking antacids and your body can actually ramp up the acid production, making symptoms worse. And then you reach for more antacids and the vicious cycle continues. Third up, you want to watch if you've got kidney issues. Antacids with magnesium and aluminium can build up and become toxic, especially if your liver or your kidneys are not working perfectly. And then changing your stomach acid changes your gut bacteria, and that means you're more at risk of infections and things like SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, and all the joys that come with it, constipation and diarrhea, depending on the type of antacid that you're taking. And then we have antacids that can mask serious problems. If you are covering up symptoms, you might miss something like an ulcer or even delay proper diagnosis. So why does this matter for men? Well, often we tough it out or self-medicate, and GERD can be linked to stress, poor diet and lifestyle habits that are common in men. Plus, there's knock-on effects like nutrient deficiencies that can impact energy, mood, and even testosterone. Now, who would want that? What can we do about it instead? So, holistic healthcare. What would I do as a medical herbalist as a way forward? I mean, first and foremost, the foundation is diet and lifestyle. That means you want to rule out any inflammatory foods. So think of citrus, dairy, tomatoes, coffee, alcohol, fizzy drinks, fried foods, and heavy meats. Add probiotics and fiber to your diet to help support your gut and the microbiome, and practice deep breathing or even singing. Yes, really, even singing, to strengthen your diaphragm and to reduce stress. If you have H. pylori diagnosed as an infection, it's a common cause of acid reflux, and herbs like chamomile or golden seal can often help. Lion's mane is wonderful with this, as is green tea. As for the other herbals, to rebuild and to soothe the gut, you could look at slippery elm and chamomile. If you want to get your digestion moving, try burdock, dock, berberis, or dandelion. And then for teas, skip the peppermint. It makes acid reflux worse. Go for fennel and chamomile instead. Myrtle berries or aloe vera gel can be great for stubborn cases, and aloe goes really well in smoothies or teas. Now, a few quick tips. Eat your meals dry. Don't drink lots of liquid with your food. Use bitters before meals to kickstart digestion. And then you want to rest and relax after eating, so don't rush it. Say grace before your meals and ginger after your meals to help with stomach emptying properly. You could take slippery elm between meals to absorb excess moisture and help stomach acid coming up. And if you chew gum, use xylitol gum, because that can help reduce acid reflux. Now, remember, managing GERD isn't about a magic pill, it's about consistency, changing your diet, using the right herbs, and sticking with it. If you're thinking of stopping antacids or you want to try a herbal alternative, always check in with a healthcare professional. So if you liked the information here, you can like and subscribe in the channel. You can contact me at www.thewildsage.co.uk and on social media at The Wild Irish Sage. You can drop your comments or questions in the box below, and let's keep the conversation going. Take care and see you next time.